Hello and welcome to the Dataflow Group video guide to walk you through the process of completing the primary source verification application for the Dubai Health Authority. To begin the application, you need to create a DHA account. To do so, please visit the Dubai Health Authority website, which is services.dha.gov.ae, and register. Once you have registered, a DHA ID, which is also called a professional ID, is generated from the DHA Sharian system. Log in with your credentials. If you have already registered, simply log in with your credentials and fill in the details required. Before you start with your application, please check your eligibility on the DHA website under the Check Eligibility Criteria section and proceed accordingly. Based on the information shared by you, DHA will request you to verify documents that are requested for your license processing by DHA. Click on Start My Registration and you will be redirected to the Dataflow portal. To start your primary source verification, you have to register with Dataflow. The steps are simple. To register, click on Register here at the bottom of the page. Then enter your email ID, first and last name, and your professional ID or DHA ID obtained from the Sharian portal. Please make sure to use the same details you used to register with Sharian, then click on Register. You will receive an activation email on your registered email ID. Click on this link to activate your account and it will redirect you to the Dataflow portal where you will need to set up your password. Once you have set up your password, you will be directed back to the login page to start your application. Select Applicant and then enter the same details you used to register, then log in. Fill in all personal details in red and move to the Letter of Authorization section. Download a copy of the Letter of Authorization to sign. Then upload the signed copy of the Letter of Authorization. Once you have uploaded, the tab turns green and you can start with your application, which is also named as Create a Case on the system. Then select either of the options given in the drop box, either Create a new Dataflow case, Report transfer, or Raising re-verification on a previous case. Create a new case. If you have selected Create a new case, select your profession category or subcategory. Also, select the service type such as Express or Applicant Assist or others that you wish to choose from. Once you have selected, fill the required details and review your application and make the payment accordingly. Once your case is completed, it will be automatically linked to your Sharian application and you can check the status of your Dataflow case on our website. Report transfer process. If you already have an existing primary source verification report from DHA or any authority, you need to create a report transfer of your previous report. To do so, select Transfer a previous Dataflow case. To begin with, you will need to add the previous case number and a passport number or date of birth. Once you have done that, select Add Case to add one more case. This would list all the components of your previous report. To add multiple cases, add the case numbers of the other previous reports. All components would be then displayed. Select the components that you want to transfer. Once done, click on Create a Case, which will redirect you to the payment page if charges apply. If not, it will redirect you to your dashboard. Re-verification. If you are looking for re-verification, please note that you can re-verify only once. Also, re-verification or appeal can only be raised on a previously unable to verify or negative closed DHA case. As a next step, you need to select the checks that you wish to apply re-verification for out of the unable to verify and negative checks. Once done, click on Create a Case and it will direct you to your dashboard. Additional case creation. If you already have a primary source verification report in your DHA account and want to add more documents to be verified in it, you can request for an additional component verification. You can select any particular component which you want to get verified and skip the others. Each selected component would be chargeable at an additional payment of 300 AED. You can also choose Express or Applicant Assist or others for processing your case faster. Once done, review your application and make the payment accordingly.